Okay, so basically here's what you have. Okay, you got it like a prism, like you said, right? Something like this. Boom, boom, boom. Here on an angle.
Ron, are you sharing your screen?
Oh, you can't see it, right?
Yeah.
Ah, see, there's another step I got to do, right? All right, let's do it here. Okay, hold on. There, boom, and then this. Okay, so do you see it now?
Yeah.
Do you see your screen? Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So what I'm going to do is click on this one here. I'm going to just go Command Shift 4. I'm going to grab a screen grab of this and bring it in, okay? There, that's gone. So I'll close that, and then I'll let you guys chat on the side. So yeah, please chime in, okay? And then, uh, okay, so here, let's go File, Place Image. It's the first thing on the top there, screenshot, good. We're in. Come on, buddy, faster. Rotate. Okay, there, over here, and so I see a second object above. Is that the same thing?
Yeah, that was just the same thing, but a little
Cool.
version of it,
Yep.
illustration.
Hello. Hey guys. All right, so let's do this. Okay, so we've got what I'm seeing. Let me just see what let me just explain. Let me understand what you've got here. You've got something here, but that's going this way. However, on the inside, you've got something else going on, right? So this is inside, correct? Let me just do this here.
Fair.
Switch. Hang on. So this will be the that, like that, boom,
I
like
was
this.
kind of having trouble while cutting that out because I didn't know how to visualize how it would
Don't worry,
look
buddy.
like.
It's all good. It's all good. It's fun. So once you get into 3D, you'll see your life becomes easier, right? So here's a
Yeah.
nice parallel line here. But what I'd like to see from you, I'm assuming you said this is light, right? Okay. Hang on a second. Let me just come in
Yeah.
here. I'm just going to go with a lighter color as well, so that we can say, okay, if this is some kind of a light source that's embedded in the system, okay,
Mm-hmm.
what you want to do is you want to make sure this wraps. Okay, you see how cool this is? Like this says to me, I'm wrapping on the other side. So if you want, this is what my demo was for you guys the other day, right? I said you can
Mm-hmm.
you can place things in here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now this light wraps around. Okay, so you got that happening. So that in itself is a
Oh,
powerful.
okay.
Okay, now you've got other. By the way, this reminds me of The Fifth Element. Have you ever watched that movie?
No, I haven't watched it, but
Dude,
I want to watch it. What is it about?
oh my God! And just remember this line. You're gonna laugh your head off. Multipass. Multipass. I got multipass. Okay, Fifth Element is one of the coolest sci-fi movies of all time. One of the coolest, not the coolest, but one. Okay, so anyway, this is, I'll explain to you in a second. So it's a light source. Okay, nice. Now, why do you have this indentation? Talk to me.
Oh, it's
Whatever reason, just give me something. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Just tell me so I understand. Okay.
the reason for this indentation is just to show light that's going through, like as I said, like if you draw like a triangular prism light into the metal on
Oh,
the
okay,
top,
okay, okay. I see what you're trying to do.
and you could see like it's going through, like you could see the I don't know how to explain it, but you could see the light that's coming out,
Okay.
if that makes sense.
All right. So let's just simplify this even more. Okay. Let me just do this
Yeah.
right now. So this is you looking at it in the orthographic view. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. So I'm just going to come over here, hold Shift, and there it is. So there, I just this angle is kind of wild. I think you've got this happening, right? And then you've
Mhm.
got an angle maybe like this, maybe like that. So it's nice to go in here,
Exactly.
go into orthographic views, okay? Now, if something is cut behind and there's something going on, what we do in the world of design is we do this, dotted. Implies there's a
Mhm.
cutout on the back of this, which is what you've
Oh,
done.
yeah.
Do you see
I
that?
also have the side view of that. I'll show this to you.
Okay, but just hold on, hold on. So when you
Okay.
are drawing like this, okay, let me just grab my lasso tool for a sec. V, I'm gonna move it here. Okay. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna make my brush a little small. So what you do is you wanna if you do another view, you just basically extend this, right? And then you just go like this. This is another view. So you call this front, right? And this could be the side, right? And if it's like something like this, okay, there. So I'll go to E for erase. Let me just make this a little bigger here. Okay. So I'm looking at this thing turning. I map these 2 points, and I'm going like this, for example. I'm making this up. So do you see how this is wrapping? Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, so you see so each view gives you an understanding of what's going on. It's very important that you start, once you have a three-dimensional drawing like this, you bring it down here and then find the three other views for it, right? And then the other views are top and bottom too, don't get me wrong, right? But that's okay. So now if I hit brush, now I'm going to go the other side, right? All you got to do now is just have a straight line here. Okay, let me just get rid of this here. Is that on another layer or not? I have no idea. Let me just see. V and T. Yep, it's over here. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, good. It's not. It's on another layer. I don't have to worry about it. Okay, cool. So look, now I'm going this way, right? Am I on B? B for brush? I think I am. And why am I not working here? Something's not right. Let's just save this. Am I not on brush? Brush, 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 brush. Layers are okay. Let's just make a new layer. Okay. All right. So.
Mr. Brown.
Yeah.
Another thing is, you see for the orthographic view,
Yeah,
the
I
top
can't
is
draw.
a little slanted. It's a little slanted.
What is?
I tried, like the top.
Oh, it is slanted. Okay, let me get there. Let me.
Yeah,
There's something's going on here. I'm unable to draw for some reason. Hang on a sec. Okay, Photoshop. What is happening here? Is there something that popped up that I don't know of? Okay, let me just go. One sec. Let me just do a save as. Okay, I'm just gonna go O2. Let's see if that changes anything. Okay, just I'm having some. Why can't I see my drawing, man? Normal, opacity 100, flows, and I'm. Okay, that's wild. Let me try another stylus. Oh my God, let's go, man. The pen is not compatible with the Cintiq. Thanks a lot. Okay. All right then. Let me take a screen grab. Command-Shift-4. Change apps. Okay. When in doubt, go to another app. All right. Okay. And you said slanted on the top, right? Okay. Okay. Let's just go File, Add Image. Should be the top item. Come on, dude. Things are working really slow here, right? I don't know why.
Another connection issue.
No, I think it's more like it may be that I have too many things going on here. Okay, so let's lock this layer up. Let's go up here, grab the pencil tool. All good there. Okay, so you're saying, let me just press I. Same thing. Okay, so you're saying one of these are on an angle, right? Okay, so I'm just going to go this way for now, and then it'd be the opposite on this side, I think. Let me yeah, it's right actually. I got it right. Okay, cool. And then this side here becomes the other direction. Okay, so this, like you see this line here, you take that line across. Look how nice that is. And all you do is you connect these two like that, and you're good. So is this 100%? No, now it's 100%. Okay, so here, what you're doing now is you got to follow this through. Okay, see all that, all this. So now if I go like this, boom, I pick this point. If I go like that, I pick that point. And then what's happening is then we've got this point on the other side. Look, see? This is architecture, man. This is cool stuff, right? This could be a stepping stone to your next assignment, which is the tower. Okay, so now this is going this way, across here, and then I'm going to go maybe something like this. I don't know. I'm just making this up right now, okay? I don't know what you're doing, but that one is turning. Maybe this one is going down like this, okay? Do you see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
However, what's going to happen is, if that angle is too weird, it's going to cut into this dude here. Look, in this view, I'm assuming you're going this way. So look, you're doing this. See that? Okay, let me block these out for a second so we could do this a little faster. So this is that spot here. There's that spot here, okay? And all my colors are washed down. You'll pass it. Let's crank this up a bit. Okay, so see here? I don't know how this goes. Another thing we do is, just so you know, in the design world, is when there's something that goes behind, watch this. Do you remember how I said the dotted line here? Look, remember this? This implies, right? This implies that we have something behind it. But however, on this view here, watch. This is dotted over here. So this becomes think, 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 think. Who is that in the background, guys? Is that you?
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Everybody's working from home and doing whatever. It's all good. Okay, do you see what I just did there?
Yeah.
So basically, in the world of design, anything hidden behind a view, let's say there's something behind this shot, I just go dotted line, dotted line, dotted line. But this is also in here, see? You don't see it because this view that you drew, you can't see anything here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, but you have to still go tick, tick, tick. Now it's becoming technical. You guys are in grade 12. You should be able to do that. So this become boom, boom, boom. But in reality, it's right here. Tick, 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 tick.
Yeah.
You don't have to do it in the ISO mode, but look. The minute I cut in, look how cool that is. You see that?
Yeah, that does look cool. Yeah.
See, right there, you cut in, you go straight down. Okay, don't come up with anything weird in here. Just keep it straight. Remember, straight, straight, straight. So you go boom, boom, boom like that. Sorry, I'm drawing fast, okay? Do you get it?
Yeah.
So let me just change colors. Let me change colors. There you go. Look how nice that is. Okay? So that's how you got to show it. Like in the back here, you go ding, 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 ding. Okay, so this is working. You just got to now decide how this is going to look on this view here, specifically. Yeah. Okay? Now, be careful. Don't add a million things, okay? So you can come in here. I like the fact that you kind of angle things. Let me try this. Let me draw it like this for a second. So basically now I'm drawing it again. See? What happens is what I would do is I would draw it again and again and again. Each time I'm designing. Well, why did I flip this? Oh, no, it's right. It's flip right, yeah. It should be.
Okay if I can incorporate those orthographic designs in my 421?
Yeah, well, no, it's not in the 421. This is in the 1, further refined.
This is the one, yeah.
Yeah, this is the 1, right? So look, even if you do this, right? So what I do is I take all this and go, what else can I do, right? What if this piece now, what if this piece here goes up? Just go up, look, straight up, right? You get it? See what I'm doing? Mm-hmm. So I'm going like this, like that, or whatever. I don't know what I drew over there. So now I'm going to change the color. Let's take this, or we're going to do the light, right? Let's take the light source here. So look, now you're doing this. So you're saying there's a crystal piece that comes out like this, for example, okay? What you got to do is sometimes think of dark and light. Here, let me just crank this brush up. Ooh, what was that? I just pressed something and I don't know what hockey that was. Okay, cool. Okay, so look. Let me just do this a little faster. See here? Okay, so this is one view, right? That's one side, right? What you don't want to do is keep drawing the same color on all planes. Yeah. See where I am? So now I'm going to go to the top, crank my brush up, and I'm going to do the top a little different color. See? See how this is becoming three-dimensional by just you playing with the value of a color, right? Okay, so now you can come in here and say, this is this color. See? Okay? Right? So the next drawing I do, for example, for myself, I could go in here and go, yeah, okay, this is all good, right? Let's see. That's pretty much everything there, right? Let me just zoom in another area, okay? Let's go over here. So now when you're in orthographic view, you can come in here and go, yeah, I got something like this here, and I got this guy sticking out like that. You see, you start playing, right? And you go, yep, you're here, and then you got to say, do I need this one, even though I've got this here? Is that necessary? If it is, you work with it. If not, you get rid of it. This is the one, after the one, this is where you start kind of making things work. Do you see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Like I'm coming here, now I just added that. See, opposite directions. And then you can come in here and go, hey, you know what? I'm even going to make this piece stick out. Who knows? And this is going to be a different color. Watch. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm just playing with shapes, right? And then see, boom, boom, boom. And then sometimes you can say, hey, man, I don't need this one. So you get rid of it if you don't want to. So for example, now I can come in here. Let me use this brush here for fun. So this becomes a light source, a beacon. Maybe this is the other part, right? Okay, we can do this in blue, which would be kind of cooler, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's, yeah, exactly, right? You just come in here and go boom, boom, boom like that. That's the piece, and this one is something else, right? So you're playing on pattern, you're playing on movement, and I don't know, you know, like I know you brought the cylinders in here, or you brought, hang on, you had these kind of things. Yeah, you know what? Like build it, like try it, right? Go in and say, you know what if I have him sitting into it and then it cuts out? Look. See this part here? So watch. I'm going to turn, and then down. Hang on a second. Why is this not coming out properly? Oh, everything's conceptual. That's why. So watch. See here? So this becomes a surface. This becomes a surface. Look what I'm doing. I'm cutting it out. Basically, I did this, right? Okay, you know the half a hemisphere business,
Yeah.
right? So watch. So if I darken this in, look how cool that is, right? So this is, I've just basically dissected that ball, right? And then this part is here. Do you see what I've done or not? If I want to now, look what I'm doing now. Watch, I'm going to change it up for you. Look. Watch. Here, let me just use different colors so you can see what I'm doing. So if you want to use this sphere, let's use it here. I'll just maybe put the light source here. Oh my God, it's time? This class flies, eh? Holy Moses, look what I just did for you.
Yeah, this looks awesome. You can see that the sphere is going into
Yeah, right?
the building.
Now
Yeah.
you're incorporated here. So basically it's this. But you erase part of it. So you go in here and you erase one part of it. That becomes really part of it. How's that?
Yeah.
Cool?
That's really cool. Yeah. All right, thank you, Mr.
Okay, guys, anytime. So tomorrow I'll just review people's work, and then we'll continue with Blender in the second half. Okay, guys? Tomorrow I'm going to review people's work. So be ready to show me work in progress. I'm going to start recording here. Thank you. What is this? Stop, stop.